Determine the coordinates of the image for the points. The coordinates minus 3,5, which is reflected about y equals minus x minus 2. So the first thing we have to do, we need to draw the diagram. Let's look at the line, and that's the line x and y as x. Line with equation y equals, this is y, equals minus x minus 2. So this should be minus 2. So that's the x and y intercept minus 2. So let's look at the points, which is the mid points is A. Let's call it A, comma. So let's call it A with coordinate minus 3,5. And let the image be A prime. Yes. Let the coordinate be A, comma B. That's what we're asked to find. And we know from our basic knowledge, for A prime to be the image of A, they must have the same distance from the line. That's line y equals minus x minus 2. Yes. So, we need to get the line joining A and A prime. It will help us to get it. So let's introduce the line passing through A and A. So we now have the line. So we are saying that these two distances must be the same for it to be the image that's here. So let's call the midpoint M, which is the point of intersection of the line. So let's call it S, comma Y. So these two distances must be equal. AM and A prime M must be the same. That's the middle. This is the midpoint. So how do you get the midpoint? We need to get the point of intersection of the two lines. So first we need to get the second line, the equation of the second line. So let's call the first line is L1, the second one is L2. So from here we see that L1, let's use the ink for that. Okay, let's use white. Let's choose that. Equation of L1 is y equal minus x minus 2. So to get the equation, remember, A prime is the image, meaning that this must be perpendicular. The two lines must be perpendicular. So L1 and L2 must be perpendicular. For it to be the image now, the same distance, and must be reflected. So it must be this should be angle 90. So since the equation L1 is that, it implies that L2, therefore, the equation of L2 will be y. That's getting the equation of a line passing through minus 3,5 and perpendicular. So we know for it to be perpendicular, the slope will be minus 1 over the slope of the first one. So the slope of the second one will now be 1. So we have 5, y minus 5 equals to 1 times x minus 3. That's x plus 3. So which is y equals x plus 8. So that is equation of the second line. So we'll get their point of intersection. So solving this equation 1, this equation 2. So solving L1 and L2 simultaneously. So from equation 1, okay, we'll add Yeah, that is 2y. Adding equation 1 and 2. 2y equals, it should be 6. Implies that y is 3. And since y is 3, from equation 2, we see that x will now be y minus 8, which is 3 minus 8. We have minus 5. So that's it. This point now, the midpoint. So this is minus 5, comma 3. Okay. So we've gotten the midpoint. So to get A is now easy. We use the knowledge of midpoint. So midpoint of 2 points of a line joining 2 points. Therefore, we have that A, if you add A plus minus 3 over 2 will now be the x coordinate, which is minus 5, and B plus 5 over 2 will now be 3. Yes, using that knowledge of midpoint. So solving, we have minus 10. Minus 10 plus 3 is now minus 7, and 6 minus that 5 is 1. So we've gotten the image now. Therefore, the image is, the coordinate of the image is now A prime, that's minus 7, comma 1. So that's the answer. So that's the knowledge of midpoints, point of intersection of a line. That gives us what we are looking for. So thank you.